In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide override in Grafana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Grafana interface and how to use the Show Only Overrides control to declutter your panel editor. First, open Grafana in your browser and sign in. From the main workspace, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your primary navigation. Click Dashboards to view the dashboards available to you, then select the one you want to work with. If you're following along on a read-only dashboard, you'll need to unlock it for editing. Look for the Make Editable option and click it. If you don't see it, you may not have permissions or the dashboard might be managed centrally, so check with your admin. With the dashboard editable, click Add to create a new panel. This opens the panel editor, which is where we'll access visualization settings and the override controls. In the editor, choose visualization to pick the type of chart you want. Select all visualizations so you can see every option, then choose the time-based line, area, and bar charts, commonly known as a time series visualization. This is a good example because it supports field overrides and makes the next step easy to follow. On the right side of the editor, you'll see the configuration pane. This is where panel options, fields, and overrides live. Next to the visualization settings, look for the area that references overrides. Here, you'll find a control labeled Show Only Overrides. Click it. When this is turned on, Grafana filters the options and displays only fields that actually have overrides. That means all the non-overridden settings are hidden from view, dramatically simplifying what you see. If there are no overrides set yet, the panel options will look almost empty, which effectively hides the override-related controls and reduces visual noise. That's exactly what we want when we're trying to keep the editor clean and focused. A quick tip: this toggle doesn't delete or change any data, it's purely a visibility filter for the editor. You can switch it off anytime to bring back the full list of options. Also, depending on your Grafana version or installed plugins, the labels and layout may vary slightly, but the show only overrides behavior is consistent. Once you're happy with how the panel looks, remember to save your dashboard so the setting is preserved. That's it. Using the show only overrides control is the simplest way to hide override clutter and keep your Grafana editing experience tidy.